needs to know we support him no matter what.
And Wednesday, an outbreak leads to an epidemic.
Lily brought home lice from school.
Remember the carpet's hot lava, yeah.
And the only question is,
Why's your face red?
who's next?
Come here. No, Claire, stop it.
Modern Family, all new Wednesday, 9/8 Central on ABC.
What's the matter with you? The world is watching.
Everyone will be watching when TV's most dangerously addictive drama returns. If I were you, I would be terrified. Scandal, all new Thursday, 10 Central on ABC.
Good afternoon, my fellow Americans. Today, I'm happy to announce the Affordable Car Act, exclusively at Keeper Kia.
Get 0% financing on every car, truck, and SUV in stock, even used. Try all the new 2014 Kia Rio Corso for just $179 per month only at Keeper Kia.
Sport arrives at the Wayne County Home and Garden Show. Meet the best experts, woodworkers, landscapers, designers, remodelers, and builders. Remodel it now. Learn about projects with wow, style, inside and out, aging in place, insider secrets, budget-friendly remodels, selecting great materials, and creating beautiful kitchens. Love your home or time to build new. Create your dream home with all the experts at the big spring show. Come see what's new March 6th through 9th at the fairgrounds. Admission is free. EugeneHomeShow.com.
There's nothing like making a pan pizza from scratch and transforming it into something you can't wait to serve your family. Especially if all you gotta do is bake it and be there for your fan club. You've never had a pan pizza like Papa Murphy's new fresh pan pizza, just $9 for a large. Fresh dough, fresh made, fresh baked. Papa Murphy's, love at 425 degrees.
Good afternoon, my fellow Americans. Today, I'm happy to announce the Affordable Car Act, exclusively at Keeper Kia.
Get 0% financing on every car, truck, and SUV in stock, even used. Try all the new 2014 Kia Rio Corso for just $179 per month only at Keeper Kia.
Waking up this morning, I'm so happy about it. We had a great night together, you know. We freaking talked and laughed